Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Arnel Pipita. So basically right now, the video that I'm going to create or make is going to be a very short video, quick na video lang to for the newbies. Kasi may mga questions, they're asking kung paano ba talaga magbasa ng chart. So, right now, what we need to do, actually hindi naman talaga siya gaano kahirap for us to be able to analyze a chart. Because basically, if you are trading, kung bago ka pa lang sa trading, kung bago ka pa lang sa stock market and you want to trade, you need to learn technical analysis. And this is really, really elementary or basic in technical analysis. Really, you really need a chart for it to be able to know the historical data of the price as well as the performance ng price. Right now, what we need to do is, or what you need to learn is to have a charting tool. So here sa Pinas, ang kailangan natin or ang available here are our Instagrams. Pull up lang natin ang Instagrams. As well as PSC tools. They're basically magkapareho lang sila halos lahat. Ang difference lang nila is that Instagrams, medyo matagal na kasi itong Instagrams. Kailangan ka mag-login using username and password, or pwede mong gamitin yung Facebook mo to be able to use that to log in. But PSC tools, madali na lang siya. Just click that and it will route you there para mag-open ng chart. So basically right now, nakikita natin dito, this is a basic chart, a very basic chart on the price. So nakikita natin dito yung price ng stock. Basically PSCI, ang nakikita natin dito yung price ng PASE or ng top 30 or the index or top 30 companies of the Philippines. So basically, at sa area na to sa gilid, 8,354, ito yung price level. By the way, this is real time. So it changes from time to time. So makikita mo talaga yung exact price on that particular time. Kung nakalagay dito 1 day or 1D, 1 day stands for 1 day time frame. So ito yung tinatawag na price or Japanese candlesticks or kandila for the traders that we are very familiar with. So ito yung price for 1 day, stands for 1 day. So ito yung ngayon, today. So ang PASE today is 8,354. Siguro narinig niyo yan, di ba? Na ito yung level, ito yung price level ng index ngayon. So green siya, meaning today gaining siya. Yes, ito naman yung yesterday. So green pa din sa gaining sa 8,354, but yesterday around 8,309. So basically, mas mataas yung ngayon. But on the other hand, on the other day, mas mababa. So bumaba siya ng around 8,200 level. So basically, hindi siya mahirap kung green gaining, kung red losing siya. So mamaya titingnan din natin per stock level. Basically, you can change this kung 1 minute changes per minute on this. So ito kasi per minute. So every 3 minutes, so makikita natin dito iba-iba yung results na nakikita dito. For example, 15 minutes. So every 15 minutes mo makikita, it stands for 15 minutes. Kung gusto mo ng larger time frame or makikita mo for the past 5 years or the past 3 years, change mo lang dito sa weekly. Para ang ginagamit din kasi namin ito ng mga traders, para makikita namin yung direction ng stock for the past, yung historical data niya. Kita natin dito for PASE from 2016. Actually, this is 1 year. So for 1 year, uptrend siya for 1 year on the longer time frame. Ano pa ba? Nakikita natin dito sa baba, ito yung volume, trading volume. Halimbawa, tumaas siya, di ba? Gain. Pero nakikita natin sa volume, wala namang volume. So, ibig sabihin na, ano siya, hindi gaanong malakas yung buying, buying power on that day or trading volume on that day. So, balik tayo. So, ano lang natin to. Basically, gano'n na naman. Hindi talaga siya rocket science. Hindi siya talaga gaano kahirap. Kasi madali lang talaga siya. Let's go with BDO. So, Banco de Oro. So, nakikita natin dito si BDO. Green siya. Right now, it's 148.80 yung price niya. Yesterday, masyadong mababa siya yesterday, around 146. So, pumapalo siya ng around 2 pesos yung difference niya. Basically, yun na lang. By the way, may iba pa kung gusto mo ng app, may Chupetot. Actually, it's for mobile. You can also check it out as well. So, ito pang isang titingnan mo sa chart, which is your earnings. So, basically, makikita mo yung earnings kasi may ano tayo may mga earnings report tayo, quarterly earnings, na very important din yun. Tinitingnan din yun ng mga traders kung okay ba yung performance or profit ng particular company. So right now, sa last earnings report ng BDO, third quarter, 16%. So mataas siya. Comparing to, so nag-negative na siya for the past na, for the previous na earnings sa second quarter. So mas tumaas siya ngayon, mas nakabawa siya ngayon. Isa pa din importante part, I really like Investograms kasi nandito na yung setup ko, and at the same time may mga features siya na gusto, just like this. So dividend as well, nakikita mo kailan siya magbibigay ng dividend. Cash dividend 0.30 per share. Ex-date, yan yung titingnan mo. Kung halimbawa may hawak ka na video, dapat ang ex-date niya tapos na kasi ito September 8. Dapat before that date or during ex-date, dapat meron kang hawak para masama ka sa dividend. Basically, yun lang naman. I hope after watching this video, you could really, get Investograms, then you could start from there. Even you are an investors, pwede mo makita yung price movement ng stock. So it applies to everyone as well. I hope you can take advantage on this, and this will help in your journey in the stock market. And yeah, this is Arnel, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.